अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे नवंबर 12, 2023 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन अकाउंट्स, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ प्रोफेशनल अकाउंटेंट टू ज्वाइन आवर हॉस्पिटल इन क्लिफ्टन एरिया। He/she will manage and coordinate all aspects of accounting preferred nearby resident and ready to join. Please email your CV at recruitment_mh@yahoo.com. Contact 0334 441 339 0334 441 339. Required minimum commerce graduate with knowledge of financial statements and good English writing skills. Contact personally with CV to Abdul Wahab. ऑफिस नंबर 91 हैदराबाद कॉलोनी नियर अचार वाली गली, कराची। टेलीफोन नंबर 34312132 34312132। सेल नंबर है 0300 8261 448। ईमेल wahab@gmail.com. Urgently required graduates and experienced accounts officers with good communication skills can apply at hr@globalcorporationpk.com. globalcorporationpk.com. Administration, a reputable school in PECHS Block 6 requires experienced and qualified Montessori directors/pre primary in charge. Attractive salary is offered. Apply through email vacancy hr1379@gmail.com. Contact number 02134545 02134545 एक और मोबाइल नंबर है +923452712264 +923452712264। व्हाट्सएप नंबर है +923313924413 +923313924413। Q1 Hospital Punjab Colony DH is looking for high qualified female candidates for administrative cum HR officer in morning and evening shift. Email recruitment_mh@yahoo.com. मोबाइल नंबर है 0334 441 339 0334 441 339। Lakhani Builders requires the services of experienced administrator for their residential project in Karachi. Retired forces will be preferred. Send a professional resume to email builders.hrd@gmail.com. फ़ोन नंबर है 0309 888 8272 0309 888 8272। इंजीनियरिंग की जॉब है BE मैकेनिकल, मिनिमम 5 years एक्सपीरियंस इन दी humidification/HVAC design/installation. Email mechmech.engr2023@outlook.com. If factory located in Shershah site Karachi requires mechanical engineer, production (flexible packaging close). Chemical engineer QA R&D requirement, fresh or 1 to 2 years experience in flexible packaging companies will be given preference. Interested candidates to send their CV to hr@tmipackaging.com.pk. Engineer Civil Mech Electric get practical training MS Project Primavera P6PIM 10 dimensions Revit Navisworks Bexel E-Tabs Quantity Take Off /estimation Plan Swift Classroom/online Karachi Lahore Islamabad 0300 8942 610 0300 8942 610। Plant operators required BE/BTech with 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience in operating chemical plants located in the Multan region. Strong technical knowledge and understanding of plant operations essential. Be a part of a forward-thinking company committed to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Excellent remunerations and career prospects. Apply in confidence on careerjobspro@gmail.com. Computer/IT ISO certified manufacturing, exporting, importing and indenting company at Korangi industrial area (near Brooks Chorangi) close immediately requires experienced IT executive familiar with software, hardware and networking, troubleshooting, installation and maintenance on server and stand alone system close. Minimum age 35 years. MS Office proficiency is a must. Candidate at least 10 years experience. Command on English language. Typing speed 40 and can join immediately. Send CV and recent photograph along with obtaining and expected salary to minwellbus@hotmail.com. General, one of our client leading pharmaceutical company close requires young energetic science graduate having 2 years of hands-on experience in sterile manufacturing including autoclave, aseptic manufacturing and filtration. Please contact with CV to rehab@go4cnc.com or WhatsApp 03211260 03211260 Defense, a job based in DHA required a female business manager for 4 hours outdoor work, vehicle plus driver. WhatsApp CV 0321311915 0321311915 Female office assistant cum secretary required. Interested candidates may email their CV at rizwan.masoom@hotmail.com. Required experienced female office assistant fluent in English with knowledge of MS Office/Outlook. Office location Lane 4, Bukhari Commercial Phase 6 THA. Email CV jobsettruffy@gmail.com or WhatsApp 0332220409 0332220409. Wanted an outdoor clerk having own transport for a LPG distribution company in Korangi. Interested persons who are willing to work long hours should apply. Work experience at least 3 years. Also wanted an accounts executive having at least 5 years experience in bookkeeping should apply. Please send your resumes to amehmood42@yahoo.com. A non-profit school and Vocational Training Institute calls for CVs for its fundraising department. Requirement 1 excellent verbal communication. Number 2 command on MS Office. Number 3 minimum bachelor degree is eligible to apply. WhatsApp 033320328822 033320328822. Email emails.linkconsultant@gmail.com. A reputable club in Karachi offers services in the following department: ladies swimming pool coach, badminton coach, lawn tennis coach, billiard markers, ladies gym instructor. Interested candidates may send their resume to hahmuslimgymkhana@gmail.com till 20th November 2023. Hiring for position of potential team head male/female, fresh/experienced/retired, qualification intermediate can apply. Rita Kumari 84@gmail.com. Office international call center located on Main Charai Faisal. Needs boy for night shift. Basic English, age limit 28. 0333-328-9797 0333-328-9797. expertsolution786@gmail.com expertsolution786@gmail.com. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।